Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you this heavy rain outside our house. So it was a rainy afternoon here in Esmeralda Residences. So the rain is very heavy. The downpour is very heavy. So as you can see, the angle of the rainwater is diagonal, and there's huge drops of water from our roof. So the rain is very relaxing. The sound of the rain is very relaxing. So the wind is also very strong. So when I opened our man gate, it closes on itself because it is being pushed back by the rain and the wind. So good thing is there's no street flooding yet here in our place. So I just love watching the raindrops. The rain pours so heavily right now. So I'll go in our side or back area. So as you can see, it's raining very hard now. So the rain is a music to my ear. It makes me remember my childhood days where we usually go out every time there's a heavy rain. We just play under the rain and go to a nearby river to swim. But right now I can't do it here because we're in the city and there's no river here. So my kids also love to take a bath under the rain. Unfortunately, they're inside our room now, and I did not allow them to go out. So it's really very relaxing. Not just for me but also for the plants. Look at that. So after how many days of sunny days, fortunately it rained. Hopefully it will not be so heavy and it will not stand very long hours to avoid flooding. So the sky is still dark, so I think this rain will last for more minutes. So the droplets from our roof, extended roof here, the houses on the other block. So it's around 2 p.m. here. So people are just sitting inside their houses now, relaxing and enjoying the rain. So there's also a bit of a wind, as you can see. The plant is moving and the angle of the rain is diagonal. So look at that. I just want you to enjoy the heavy rain sound, the sound of the rain. dropping in the streets, dropping in the roof. It's just Mother Nature at its best. So at the back we also have a huge drum where we catch rainwater. It's very helpful in reducing our water consumption because we use it for washing clothes. Basically washing white clothes. So look at that, guys. The beauty of the rain sound. It's really very good to feel it personally. When you're here, it's just amazing, guys. So I'm filming this while inside our house, and those are our neighbors. So the plants outside are already very wet, even the streets. Look at that. The rain team. It seems that the rain will not stop. Hopefully it will stop soon to avoid flooding. But I am confident with our drainage system because they usually clean our canals here regularly, especially in these times where rainy days and rainy afternoons are expected. So it's really the start of the rainy season until I think December this year. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on the next one.